Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, the IITian. This video we'll be seeing the array filtration. We had a lot in array filtration and I don't know why was that. So let's discuss what have and what is. So we know what filtration is and I would like some. I will showing you. I will leave the link of the description so that you can do it and have any. But just for now, let's see issues. Can you basically an array A of size and initially it is filled with you so some people ask that why do we to sort the array because otherwise you don't have any correspondence with the so the numbers are basically 1 to n, right? So they are already sorted. Yeah, yeah, and basically are sorted. uh, some people had asked this question that why are we even dividing by GCD. We don't even need to divide by GCD, but need to divide by GCD. Let's suppose we have a multiplier in common. So that multiplier, I will have some numbers here. 4, 5 till n. Now, suppose I am dividing, say, y. How do I divide this number by y and divisible? I can either check the divisible by x dot 1 mod y 0, x dot 2 y 0, and so on. Or basically, I can just pick the GCD x and y. So basically, the greatest common divisor is y itself, then all the numbers divide are divisible by y because x is divisible by y. If not, whatever factors are there, we just remove that. So now this is the question, and y is also like GCD. So now I need to check how many of these numbers are divisible by y. And now that can easily be done because every number which will be divisible by this. So this was the whole crux of the problem, and I hope having any problem in this. Let me just go over some specifics that I had received regarding issues. Just give me a second. Okay, most of the people are getting wrong answer and they can just like figure out the approach. So I guess I should just help you with giving you the code. Let's go over the code. That would actually solve your problem. Right? My questions. Basically just the library is We take in the numbers, we sort them based on their x. Yeah, sort them based on their scene. Let me just go over the question. I just forgot what the x and y. We sort the numbers based on their x, and then we sort them. Next, the sum is this: left equals and multiplier equals, and we iterate on all the operations we can. We take a divisor as x dot second. The GCD we divide it by GCD. We check the number of numbers divisible by it and sum them with x dot first. And left becomes left by divisor, and multiplier becomes multiplier. And that's all. We just output. That's all for this video. If you liked it, note and submit. Thank you. Like, share, and